start de Broglie hypothesis. So myself Shubha Singh Parihar, I will teach you physics, quantum mechanics for BSc final year. So let a particle is moving with relativistic velocity v. Let a particle is moving with relativistic velocity v. So m0, what is m0? m0 is the rest mass of that particle and momentum is p. Energy of the particle is E. If angular frequency of particle is omega, then group velocity Vy, which is denoted by Vy is equals to V, which is also equals to d omega by dk. So here, what is k? So k is propagation constant. So where k is propagation constant. So it is the differential form of group velocity. So Vy, group velocity which is denoted here is Vy and V is equals to d omega by dk. Here C is equals to 2 pi by lambda. From relativistic relation in momentum and energy is E square minus P square C square is equals to m0 square c to the power 4. This is the relativistic relation between momentum and energy. And E is equals to h mu, which is also equals to h omega by 2 pi, because here V nu, this is nu. Here I will not do anything. Here only put the value of V. H omega by 2 pi is equals to under root Pc square plus m0 square and c to the power 4. This is the relativistic relation between momentum and energy. When we equal to each other, differentiate above equation with respect to k. So when we differentiate this equation, we will get h by 2 pi and differential of which d omega by dk with respect to k. So here omega is equals to d omega by dk and its differential form is we get this. And d omega by dk is again solved. Here only a calculation occurs. So d omega by dk is equals to this. But here E is equals to mc square. This is the relativistic relation of Einstein's theory of relativity. So E is equals to mc square. So therefore d omega by dk is equals to 2 pi p by h m dp by dk. So here what I do? Here we will put only the value of E. So 2 pi mv by h m dp by dk is equals to 2 pi v by h, differential form of p with respect to k. Here group velocity Vy is equals to v is equals to d omega by dk. So 2 pi mu by h dp by dk. This value 2 pi mu by h dp by dk or dp is equals to h by 2 pi dk. So here therefore group velocity Vy is equals to v is equal to d omega by dk. So 2 pi mu by h differential form with respect to k of momentum, or this formula is also written as dp is equals to h by 2 pi dk. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. So on integrating above equation, which is your above equation? This equation is this above equation. So P is equals to h by 2 pi k thus constant, because we integrate it. So when we integrate, we always add constant term. So if integration constant is equal to 0, suppose So k is equals to 2 pi by lambda is equals to h by lambda. Here cancel out to each other 2 pi and h by lambda, or lambda is equals to lambda when we interchange this lambda here and b is transport here, then lambda is equals to h by p. So this is the equation of de Broglie relation. This is de Broglie relation. So I discussed about de Broglie relation in this session, and after the continuation of this video I will upload all lectures of final year BSc Quantum Mechanics. Thank you.